Yes, students. So we have seen how early man has discovered the stones. Now, still he was not satisfied. He wanted more and more things to develop. He got more and more innovative and began doing new things. He learned. He learned how to make bone needles and bonefish hooks. He, he started to use these to stitch animals' skin and to make the clothes. So, with the help of these, he started stitching the clothes. Earlier, he was wearing only the bark of trees and leaves to cover his body. But now, with his brain, he started to stitch the clothes. Oliman also made boots to protect his feet as he walked on rough terrain. Yes, because he was walking barefoot, so he was getting hurted on his feet. So, to protect them, he made the boots. Although Oliman still led a difficult life, he now had plenty of food, suitable clothes, and a comfortable shelter. Yes, now he has discovered the fire which gave protected him and his cave from the wild animals. He made the needles to stitch the clothes, so he was getting suitable clothes to wear and comfortable shelter. Now he don't have to move or jump from one tree to another. So he had a comfortable shelter. And this comfort and safety gave early man ample time for recreation and relaxation. So with this now he had got lot of time for resting and relaxation. Early man started Early man started to sing and dance. Now whenever early man was free to enjoy his life, he started singing and dancing. He became an artist and enjoyed carving and drawing on the cave walls. Whenever he had a time, he was dancing. And to enjoy, he was sometimes doing the paintings, cave paintings, students. So, in this way, he was enjoying his life and becoming more and more innovative so that he can lead his life very comfortably. Early man as a herdsman. Now, the early man was good hunter, but he was still a wanderer. Yes, early man was a hunter. We have seen in the first chapter that he was hunting animals and eating raw fruits and vegetables and animals. This was because, despite everything, man did not know how to grow food. Yes, early man became innovative, but still he did not know how he could grow the crops. So, in search of food, he has to move from one place to another. So, he only lived at one place till he provided him shelter and food. Now, as he got more, he learned to grow the crops and got settled life. He moved to another place when he needed a new shelter and more food. Now, when he was in need of something, food, shelter, clothing, he moved to another places. So, this was how the early man was a herdsman. Now, taming animals. It must have happened that one day the early man saw raw wild cow suckling its young one. Yes, once the early man saw how the young cow is sucking its young one. When the early man tasted this liquid, he liked the taste, and early man also tasted. The early man did not know that he had discovered the milk. Yes, when he saw a cow suckling its young ones, early man also copied it and tasted the milk, and he found very tasty and sweet. So he did not know that he has in return discovered the milk. Early man wanted to drink the milk. he got a continuous supply of milk. He started domesticating the animals that were willing to stay with him. Yes, he started domesticating the animals in this way so that he could earn more and more profits. He started domesticating the animals that were willing to stay with him. Thus, he began to keep cows, buffaloes, and donkeys. And these animals started. He was also clever to keep dogs to protect his tame animals from wild animals, lions, and mammoths. Soon, man also had horses, donkeys, and oxen under his care. These animals not only gave him milk to drink but also helped him carry loads. Yes, student. So early man did not only tame animals and drug the milk, but they also helped him to carry the loads. So students, this was about the taming animals, how taming of animals helped them and protected students. Okay. Now the remaining portion we will be studying here.